Hi everybody, so I'm Thibault Chassagne, co-founder of Virtuo. Virtuo is a startup in the car rental space. We launched the company almost 2 years ago, May 2016, and we've raised around 10 million euros when we started with the last round, Series A, last summer with Balderton Capital. So it's still an early stage startup in the mobility space. Sorry. So I'll start with sharing our vision at Virtuo. As many people in the room, I think we deeply believe that ride-hailing, scooter sharing, bike sharing, and short-term car sharing are replacing car ownership within big urban cities. So basically today, in the cities like London or Paris, if you don't use your car to commute to your office, you should drop it. But as Nicolas from Balbacar said about long distance trip, the car is still the most used mobility way. So we think that people, even though they will drop their car, ownership of their car inside the city, they will need a car for longer trips. That's why we think that car rental has still a bright future. But the problem is, traditional car rental experience sucks. So why does it suck? I'm pretty sure everybody here went through all those frictions, but car rental process, usually it starts with a queue at the counter, and you would wait 20 to 45 minutes on average, but it goes to hours and hours during the summer in Nice, for example. Second friction, you'll go through heavy paperwork. And I mean, we're using so many services so easily using an app, or that this paperwork, you would sign a contract at 3 different times. It's becoming more and more a friction, and a huge friction. Then you'll go through hidden costs. Usually, if you want to drive the car with your husband or wife, the traditional car rental company will ask you for a fee. Same thing for GPS, even though it's already in the car, or they'll try to sell you some additional insurance. Last but not least, you almost never get the car you booked online, and that's usually a huge disappointment. And finally, you go through damage report, which has to be done 5 meters away from the counter. So basically, this whole car rental experience is full of frictions and is not fit with the new expectations of the customers. So at Virtuo, our mission is to bring back car rental in the 21st century. To do that, we enhance car rental using technology. By technology, I mean mainly mobile technology, connected car technology, and algorithm and AI. So how does it work? Swift and seamless registration. So in a few minutes, you'll create your account, you'll scan your ID, driving license, and you'll be able to book a car. Booking of the car, it takes just a few seconds. In-app payments, deposit on the app as well, very seamless. Then you'll be able to unlock your car using your smartphone, and that's where the magic happens. So we're the first car rental company in the world that got rid of the key. So you won't find any physical key in the car you rent. You'll use the app through your whole rental. You'll do the damage report through the app. Damage report is something that creates a lot of anxiety, but this is something that could kill the business model as well. So this is something we work a lot on this side. And actually, even though our cars are checked and cleaned after each rental, if you don't see a damage that's already reported in the app, you can add your own pictures, and our customers feel much less anxious with this process. And finally, you get what you book. Today, we operate a standardized fleet of A-Class and GLA from Mercedes. And so we rent great cars, and we keep our promise. So Virtuo operates in 2 countries, France and Belgium, 9 cities, 20 stations. Usually you'll find us in major airports, train stations, and city centers. And we're going abroad, and we're looking at the European market for the next month. So I'm time out. But if you wanna try Virtuo, this is a discount promo code. So for your next long weekend in south of France, do not hesitate. Thank you very much.
Hey. Is it easy for a German guy to sign up and rent a car in Paris?
Extremely easy. I mean, we have many German customers, and you would like the car, obviously.
Yeah, so it's really great how you innovate an old business model and take it to the next level.
Thank you.
Super, thank you.